A very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel MPSC Easy Learning. In today's lecture dated 9th May, we'll be covering the most important current affair questions of the day. Our session consists of 10 questions from specific Maharashtra, India, and world issues. And we also cover previous year questions if they have been asked on any particular topic. Question number 1. When is International Leopard Day celebrated every year? Option A 3rd May, Option B 4th May, Option C 8th May या Option D 7th May. Your right answer is Option A 3rd May. So International Leopard Day is celebrated every year on the 3rd May. The scientific name of leopard is Panthera pardus, and leopard is the smallest of all the big cats. As per 2018 reports, there are 13,000 leopards available in the India. The states Madhya Pradesh ranks first, Karnataka ranks second, and Maharashtra ranks third. So maximum number of leopards are found in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Some important points about this news. Project Tiger. Project Tiger was launched on April 1st, 1973. What is the aim of Project Tiger? The aim of Project Tiger is to promote the conservation of tigers. And when is International Tiger Day celebrated? International Tiger Day is celebrated on the 29th of July. The first tiger reserve is Bandipur or the Jim Corbett. दोनों में से any one if you find it in the option of your question. So that is your answer. The second one, Project Lion. Project Lion, also known as Asiatic Lion Project. It was launched in the year 1972. Why was this launched? It was launched to save the 21 critically endangered species of lion in Gir Forest. Where is Gir Forest? Gir Forest is in Gujarat. When is International Lion Day celebrated? International Lion Day is celebrated on the 10th of August. And the first lion reserve in India is Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary. Kidhar hai ye? It is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Third one is Project Snow Leopard. Project Snow Leopard was launched in the year 2009, and snow leopards are also known as ghost of the mountain, because snow leopards are in such a form that in forest they get camouflaged and you don't really understand where is the leopard. So this is the reason they are known as ghost of the mountain. And when is International Leopard Day celebrated? International Leopard Day is celebrated on May 3rd. Question number 2. Luca Brecel is related to which sport? So this sportsman is related to which sport? Option A snooker, Option B chess, Option C billiards या Option D table tennis. आपका सही आंसर है Option A snooker. So Luca Brecel is related to the sport of snooker, and the reason why he is in news is because he has won the first World Snooker Championship, and he is a Belgian player. ये snooker championship हुआ किधर था? So it took place in England, and runner-up was Mark Selby. Question 3, a very, very, very important question. Please note it down. Who is the current monarch of England? Option A, King Charles III. Option B, King Charles I. And Option C, Queen Elizabeth. Option D, King Philip. आपका सही जवाब है Option A, King Charles III. So the current monarch of England is King Charles III. I've added some important points about the coronation. King Charles was coronated on the 6th of May at Westminster Abbey, but he ascended the throne on 8th of September 2022. King Charles III is the oldest to accede the throne. Point 3. 6th May coincides with the death of King Edward VII on the 6th of May 1910. King Charles has visited India total 10 times. So the guests who are invited for the coronation are Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Sonam Kapoor, and 2 Dabbawalas. Saurabh Phadke from Pune has also been invited. Manju Mali, who is a chef, Gulsha from Delhi, and Jay Patel from Canada. So these are certain important people who have been invited for the coronation ceremony of King Charles III. And this is an important point. This is the first time that the crowns will be reused. So King Charles III will use the crown of Saint Edward, and Camilla will wear the crown of Queen Mary. Do you all know who is Queen Mary? In Maharashtra history, we read about Delhi Darbar, which took place in 1911, where Sarvajanik Kaka had worn clothes like farmers to actually depict the reality. So, Queen Mary had visited in the 1911 Delhi Darbar. Question 5. Which Hollywood actor will receive honorary Palme d'Or prize at Cannes Festival 2023? Option A, Charles Leclerc. Option B, Geoffrey Hilton. Option C, Larry Page. Your option D, Michael Douglas. Your right answer is option D, Michael Douglas. Question number 6. India is going to publish which index from 2024? Option A, water index. Option B, land index. Option C, heat index. Your option D, poverty index. Your right answer is heat index. So from the year of 2024, India is going to publish the heat index. And it will be published by whom? It will be published by Indian Meteorological Department, that is IMD. And IMD is an agency of Ministry of Earth Science. When was IMD established? IMD was established on 15th Jan 1875, and the current Director General is Mrutyunjay Mohapatra. Question number 7. Where is India's first international multimodal logistic park located? Option A, Manipur. Option B, Assam. ऑप्शन सी मेघालय या ऑप्शन डी सिक्किम. आपका सही जवाब है आसाम. So India's first international multimodal logistic park is located in the state of Assam. This multimodal logistic park has been developed under the Bharatmala Yojana, and this is set right close to the Brahmaputra river in Jogi town of Assam. The foundation stone for this multimodal logistic park was on 20th October 2020. These are certain important points which you need to know. Question number 8. What is the mascot of Khelo India University Games 2023 named? Option A, lion. Option B, tiger. Option C, Jeetu the Barasingha. Your option D, elephant. Your right answer is option C, Jeetu the Barasingha has been named as the mascot of Khelo India University Games of 2023. Certain important points about Khelo India University Games 2023 are: the jersey, mascot and torch was launched by Union Sports Minister Anurag Thakurji. Who is the mascot? Like we saw, it is Jeetu the Barasingha. Official torch bearer is Shakti. And where is this games going to take place? It is going to take place at Varanasi, Noida and Gorakhpur. From which year did the Khelo India University Games start? It started in 2017 to revive sports among students. Here I mentioned a question. What is the state animal of Uttar Pradesh? The reason why I've asked this question, here the mascot has been chosen as Jeetu the Barasingha. So what is the link between state animal and Jeetu the Barasingha? Do let me know. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the new president of World Bank? Option A, Jagdish Kumar. Option B, Sumit Mohanty. Option C, Raghav Sunak. या option D, Ajay Banga. Your right answer is option D, Ajay Banga has been appointed as the new president of World Bank. Here I've included certain important points about Ajay Banga and the World Bank. Ajay Banga has been chosen as the new president of World Bank. He will replace whom? He will replace David Malpass. He has become the 14th president of World Bank and the first Indian to hold this position. Who was the first president of World Bank? It was Eugene Mayer. In 2016, Ajay Banga had received Padma Shri Award. Some important points in regards to World Bank. The headquarters of World Bank is at Washington in USA. The chief economist is Indermit Gill, and World Bank was established on December 1954, and MD and CFO is Anshula Kant. These are certain important points. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the chairman for Coal India? Option A Rajiv Kumar, option B Priya Rao, option C Raghav Sunak, or option D PM Prasad. Your right answer is option D PM Prasad. So PM Prasad has been appointed as the chairman for Coal India. The last question of the day, question 10. What is the name of the first cyclone of 2023? Option A Mocha, option B Yemen, option C Carlos, or option D Odyssey. Your right answer is option A Mocha. So Mocha is the name of the first cyclone of 2023. Here I've included certain important points. The name of this cyclone, that is Mocha, has been proposed by whom? It has been proposed by Yemen. In which region is this cyclone forming? This cyclone is forming in the region of Bay of Bengal. And the next cyclone which is going to occur, that will be named as Biparjoy, and that is given by Bangladesh. After that will be Tej from India, and the last one will be Hamoon from Iran. Certain important points about cyclone. A question on cyclone was asked in Rajya Seva recently. It has been also asked in RRB railway recruitment boards and also in UPSC. So this is an important topic one has to study. Name of the cyclone is Jawad. Jawad name was given by Saudi Arabia. And in which year did this occur? This occurred in the year of 2021, and the region was Bay of Bengal. So what does Jawad mean? Jawad means someone who is generous. Second cyclone, Cyclone Gulab. The name of this cyclone was given by Pakistan. When did it occur? It occurred in September 2021, and it was formed in the region of Arabian Sea. A question on this was asked in Andhra Pradesh High Court paper question. Third cyclone, Takute. Which country gave its name? Myanmar is the country that gave the name Takute, and Takute means a lizard. This cyclone occurred in May 2021, and it was formed in the region of Arabian Sea. A question on this was asked in Railway Recruitment Board paper. The next cyclone is Yas, which is given by Oman. The year was May 2021, and in which region? It is in the region of Bay of Bengal. The next cyclone is Nisarga. The name Nisarga was given by Bangladesh. And in which year did it occur? It occurred in the year of June 2020. And in which region? In the region of Arabian Sea. Next cyclone Asani was given by Sri Lanka. In which year did it occur? In May 2022. And in which region? In the region of Bay of Bengal. The last option is Sitrang. It was given by Thailand. It occurred in the year of October 2022, and the region is Bay of Bengal. Sitrang name was given by Thailand. Sitrang is a common surname which is seen in Thailand. So these are certain cyclones names, the country and the year and the region which you have to keep in mind. Here I have mentioned 5 questions from Maharashtra Geography, Maharashtra History, World Geography and Science. Do let me know the answers in the quiz section. We are also available on Instagram and Telegram. Do get in touch with us. If you have liked today's lecture or you have any constructive suggestion, demands or doubts, do let us know in the comment section. We will definitely look into it. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.